And this is a 12 to 24 volt car fan by Lemoistar. And there's a bit of info on the side of the box and more info on the other. And this is what comes in the box. You have a little instruction manual and you have the fan itself. It is a variable adjustment using this little roller switch. Fits into a standard cigarette or cigar lighter. And that's the fan itself. It attaches to the headrest of your car, and you've got this little slider, and it's quite a stiff one. So once it's in position, it's not going to let go on you, and you can just simply lock it by turning that little knob. I'll go take it out, put it in my car, and I'll let you know what I think of it. I've got the controller. Very nice. It's quiet. I'm just adjusting the speed. It's definitely pumping out a decent amount of air. And it's remarkably quiet. And to turn it off, just press the button again and it stops. I think the backseat passenger is going to love this thing.